a lot of people now are doing this carnivore diet and they are losing weight. So what's your opinion about? We know it's not, you and I know it's not overall health, but it's
Well,
giving people immediate results.
the biggest thing to realize is that we're not carnivores, Paul. The idea that you're going to go into a diet that's not suited for who we are physiologically. We are herbivore, frugivorous animals. That's what all the primates are in nature. And the truth of the matter is, when you look at the impact that those kind of diets have, when you're dealing with a physiology where we don't have the digestive tract length, the size of the liver, the teeth, you're creating so many other potential problems across time. But when you first adopt that, if you're coming from eating a lot of refined food, there's no question you're getting into a higher protein thing. It's going to have a dehydration effect. You're going to lose plenty of water, which is part of weight loss. The problem is over time, it programs increases in uric acid, urea, higher cholesterol levels, all kinds of issues like that over time. So this is very problematic. We need to embrace who we are. If you think you're a carnivore, you're going to show me that by jumping on the back of a running zebra and ripping out a piece of its rump with your front teeth. That's not who we are. We're designed to pick a mango from a tree and eat it the way it is because we don't worry about steaming, sauteing, or cooking the mango. The truth of the matter is we need to get in line with who we are physiologically. And the truth of the matter is, this is one of the things I'm battling. This idea that you've got to eat and kill animals to lose weight is such an archaic biological lie, and it's going to hurt people across time. And unfortunately, that's coming for people that are feeling hopeless. That's why I wrote the book. Get involved with the plant approach that I'm recommending. Look at the other factors because it's not just food alone. And understand that in no way, shape, or form are you a carnivore, nor should you be eating that way. It's reprehensible. It's devastating across time. And it's also damaging everything around us, including the environment and other animals. There is no reason on this earth to do that.